Hey guys, did you know that high blood pressure is a serious health issue affecting not just people who are older but also the younger ones in their 20s and 30s who lead super stressful lives? That's right, but then there's a solution, and that is incorporating yoga in your daily routine. Today I will show you 3 yoga asanas that will help in high blood pressure. So the first asana is Yashtik asana or the stick posture. How to do this pose? Lie on your back on a mat, legs fully extended, feet together and hands at the sides with palms facing down. Inhaling, raise both your hands together above your head on the ground, stretching them. Simultaneously, point your toes downwards away from the body as though the upper body is being pulled upwards and the lower body downwards, with the stomach stretched in between. Hold this pose for 10 to 12 seconds with normal breathing. Exhaling, return to the starting position by bringing your hands down to the sides of the thighs and relaxing your toes. Repeat this pose 3 times. This pose eases the pain of the joints, opens up the thoracic area and hence improves your breathing. It also corrects the faulty posture of rounded shoulders and improves blood circulation. However, this pose should be avoided by people with spinal injury, frozen shoulders and arthritis. Now moving on to the next asana, we have Parvatasana or the mountain pose. How to do this pose? Sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana with a straight spine. Roll your shoulders back and keep your hands at their respective sides, palms facing upwards. Keep your head and neck straight and eyes focused on a single point ahead of you. Inhaling, raise both your arms together from the respective sides for an upward stretch, joining the palms in a namaste above the head. Keep your arms close to the respective ears, stretched and straight. Hold this pose for 10 to 12 seconds with normal breathing. Exhaling, turn your palm outwards, keeping the arms straight, bring them down to the sides. Repeat this pose 3 times. This pose corrects a faulty posture, stretches the spine completely, releasing any fatigue or stiffness, and increases mental strength and stability just like a mountain. However, this asana must not be performed by people with recent shoulder, back or hip injuries. And the final asana is Shavasana, also called as the corpse pose. This is a very relaxing pose and has to be done for 10 to 15 minutes daily towards the end of your practice. Now, how to do this pose? Lie down on your back. Keep your legs comfortably apart, hands away at a 45-degree angle with palms facing up. Once in this position, close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Try not to fidget during your practice. So make all the adjustments to your body before we begin. Consciously breathe slowly and rhythmically. We will mentally relax each part of the body, beginning with the toes and the ankles. Relax your toes and ankles. Relax your calves and knees. Relax your thighs and pelvis. Relax your abdomen and chest. Relax your hands, forearms and arms. Relax all the muscles of your spine. Relax your shoulders and neck. Relax all your facial muscles. Relax the jaws and the cheeks. Allow the tongue to fall away from the roof of the mouth. Relax your lips, the tip of the nose. Relax your eyebrows and eyes. Relax your forehead. Now bring your attention once again to your breathing and observe the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen and chest. Stay in Shavasana for a few more minutes. Make slow and gentle movements of your fingers and toes. Slowly bring your attention back to your body. Now turn over to your right side and make a pillow with your right arm, keeping your left arm straight and on the side of your body. Legs are slightly bent. Stay in this pose for a few seconds. Now with the support of your arm, slowly sit up in Sukhasana. Observe your breathing for a few seconds. And now gently open your eyes. Shavasana is typically practiced for 10 to 15 minutes at the end of an asana practice, but it can be practiced for 20 to 30 minutes as well. This pose relieves headaches, fatigue, anxiety, and one is relieved even from insomnia. It improves blood circulation and normalizes blood pressure and pulse rate. However, anybody undergoing severe depression and having low blood pressure must avoid it. If you're someone who's struggling with high blood pressure, then practicing these yoga poses could be just the thing you need to find some relief. And who knows, you might even experience some positive changes in your overall well-being as well. By incorporating yoga in your daily routine, you might notice a shift in your behavior, attitude, and stress levels, all of which can have a positive impact on your overall health. These yoga poses can help you achieve that peaceful, healthy lifestyle that you've been dreaming of. So why not give them a try? You might be surprised at just how much of a difference they can make. Make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.